This is the test for Unit 1 and Unit 2 in college algebra. On questions 1 and 2, give the x and y intercepts and show how you got them. Find the vertex, show how you got the vertex, a table of points, and graph. Number 1, f of x equals x squared minus 7x plus 12. Number 2, y equals 5 minus the absolute value of 2x minus 1. Number 3, show the problem and all the work. Write the equation of a line through negative 2, 7 and 521. Number 4, write the equation of the line through negative 6, 7 and perpendicular to 2x plus y equals 7. Show all the work. Number 5, solve this probably with the quadratic formula. 6x equals x squared plus 3. Number 6, solve this. X squared equals negative 15x minus 26. Shouldn't need the quadratic formula, but you can use it. Number 7, solve and give the intervals that work on this. X cubed minus 9x is greater than or equal to 0. Show all work. Number 8, graph and give center, the radius, and 4 points. One to the right of the center, one straight up from the center, one to the left of the center, and one down from the center for x plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 4 quantity squared equals 36.